Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect with Stripe Atlas for global business launch, full guide step by step clearly. To connect with Stripe Atlas and launch your global business, start by visiting the Stripe Atlas website. Create a Stripe account if you don't already have one. Once your account is set up, navigate to the Stripe Atlas section. Click on the Get Started button to begin the application process. Fill out the required information, including your email address and business details. Provide your business name and describe the product or service you plan to offer. Select your desired business structure, such as an LLC or corporation. Complete the questionnaire regarding your business model and target audience. Review the Stripe Atlas terms and conditions before continuing. Submit your application for review. After submission, wait for confirmation from Stripe regarding the next steps. Once approved, you will receive a welcome email with instructions. Follow the link in the email to access your Stripe Atlas dashboard. Set up your company formation by providing necessary documentation and identification. Choose your preferred state for incorporation, typically Delaware for its business-friendly laws. Fill out the required forms for your chosen state. Stripe will handle the filing process on your behalf. After formation, you'll receive your official incorporation documents via email. Next, complete your bank account setup to facilitate transactions. Link to a U.S. bank account or use a partner bank recommended by Stripe. Once your account is connected, you can begin setting up your payment processing. Configure your payment options by selecting your preferred payment gateways. Integrate Stripe with your website or application using the provided API documentation. Test your payment system to ensure everything works correctly before launching. Finally, launch your global business, offering your product or service to customers around the world. Keep track of your transactions through the Stripe dashboard for ongoing management. Utilize the resources and support available through Stripe Atlas for additional guidance as needed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.